Today we're going to go over how to navigate the VLine 2 in a 2019 Lexus IS 350. So in this vehicle, the VLine will come up in the auxiliary source, and that's where we're at right now. If we press the radio button on the actual radio face, that'll take us out of the VLine and back to the factory UI. Now in here, we can access anything we want to on the factory side and do everything like normal. And if we wanted to listen to the radio but have the VLine on the screen, we're going to press and hold the map button by the mouse. And you're going to press and hold that for around 3 seconds. And the VLine will come up on the screen. And when you're here, you can use the VLine with the mouse, but you're not going to have any audio. If you need audio, you'll have to go back to the auxiliary source. And if you need to double check that, you can press and hold the map button again to exit the VLine. And then we'll press the media button until we're back into the aux source. And now we've got audio from the VLine and we're able to use it. We've added a feature for some LEX 789 vehicles where the AC controls will drop the VLine UI and show the factory UI so you can see what changes are happening. So as you can see here, I just turned on the AC, and as I'm making changes, it's staying on the factory UI. But then when I stop making changes, the VLine comes back on the screen. If you want to turn this off at all, or turn it on if it is off for any reason, you can go into the settings up here, and then you're going to go to Vehicle Integration, and this option here, Factory Climate Control, we're going to turn that off. And then now, when we make any changes, it's not flipping over to the factory UI anymore.